Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A13. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then tap on notification sound. Next, if you have more than one SIM card, select the SIM card that you want to change the sound. And in here, go down and select the sound that you would like to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.